Kangal Dog's breeding history, ancestral origins. The Kangal Dog, also known as the Kangal Shepherd, is a powerful and majestic breed that hails from Turkey. With its impressive size and protective instincts, this breed has become synonymous with guarding livestock against predators. However, have you ever wondered about the ancestral origins of the Kangal Dog? In this article, we will delve into the breeding history of this remarkable breed and explore its ancient roots. To understand the history of the Kangal Dog, we must first look back to the ancient times. Although precise records are not available, it is believed that the breed originated in the Sivas region of present-day Turkey. The Kangal Dog's ancestors can be traced back thousands of years to the times when humans first began domesticating and breeding dogs for specific purposes. The nomadic shepherd tribes of central Anatolia played a vital role in the development of the Kangal Dog. These tribes relied heavily on their livestock, such as sheep and cattle, for sustenance and livelihood. As a result, they needed a reliable and fearless guardian to protect their valuable assets from predators like wolves and bears. This demand for a capable livestock guardian led to the birth of the Kangal Dog. The Kangal Dog's ancestors were likely a mix of several breeds, including the ancient and now extinct Mastiff-like dogs of Asia Minor, as well as other flock-guarding breeds from the region. Over time, selective breeding and careful curation of the traits deemed essential for a livestock guardian resulted in the development of the Kangal Dog as we know it today. One crucial aspect of the Kangal Dog's breeding history is its ability to blend in with the livestock it protects. This adaptation was crucial for their survival in the harsh and unforgiving Anatolian landscapes. The Kangal Dog's coat, which is generally a pale, fawn color, helps them camouflage with the sheep, making it difficult for predators to spot them. The Kangal Dog's protective instincts are deeply ingrained in their DNA. They have an inherent sense of responsibility towards their flock, and their loyalty and dedication to their owners are unparalleled. These traits, coupled with their immense size and strength, make them highly effective guardians. In recent years, the Kangal Dog has gained international recognition and has become a sought-after breed beyond its homeland. However, with increased popularity, concerns have been raised about the preservation of the breed's traits and heritage. Responsible breeders and organizations are working diligently to ensure that the Kangal Dog's ancestral origins are maintained and upheld. In conclusion, the Kangal Dog's breeding history is rooted in the ancient times when humans first began domesticating and breeding dogs for specific purposes. The breed's origins can be traced back to the nomadic shepherd tribes of central Anatolia, who needed a reliable guardian to protect their livestock from predators. Through careful selective breeding, the Kangal Dog emerged as a powerful and faithful protector. Today, this remarkable breed continues to thrive and captivate the hearts of dog lovers worldwide, while its ancestral origins remain at the core of its identity.